Unveil the magic. Enhance your creative writing with Show, Don't Tell. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of creative writing, a technique known as Show, Don't Tell. This powerful writing strategy can transform your stories, making them more vivid, engaging, and emotional. Let's explore why Show, Don't Tell is such an important tool in your creative writing toolbox. Show, Don't Tell is a writing technique that encourages writers to paint a picture with words, instead of simply stating facts or telling the reader how to feel. It's about using descriptive language, sensory details, and actions to reveal character traits, settings, or emotions. Here's an example. Instead of writing, "John was angry," which just tells the reader about John's emotion, you could show it like this. John's face turned red, his hands clenched into tight fists, and he threw the vase against the wall. There are several compelling reasons to embrace Show, Don't Tell in your writing. 1. Engages the reader's imagination. Showing allows your readers to visualize the story in their minds, making the reading experience more immersive and personal. 2. Creates emotional impact. When you show emotions and events, it helps readers connect with your characters on a deeper level. They can empathize with their struggles and triumphs, making your story more impactful. 3. Adds depth to your story. By showing details about characters and settings, you create a rich, detailed world that adds depth and complexity to your story. 4. Shows character development. Instead of telling your readers that a character has changed, showing their actions, decisions, and responses to events can illustrate their growth throughout the story. Start by identifying areas in your writing where you're simply telling. Look for statements of emotion, flat character descriptions, or simple narrative statements. Then, transform these sentences using sensory details. Describe what characters see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Actions and behaviors. Show what your characters do, how they react, their body language. Internal thoughts and feelings. Instead of stating emotions, depict the internal struggles, doubts, or joys of your characters. Remember, it's all about inviting the reader to infer and imagine, rather than simply receiving information. And that wraps up our exploration of Show, Don't Tell in creative writing. By incorporating this technique, your stories can captivate your readers' imaginations, stir their emotions, and leave a lasting impression. Remember, the goal is to make your readers see your story, not just read it. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see how your writing grows and evolves with the Show, Don't Tell technique. Keep writing, keep showing, and keep inspiring. Happy writing, everyone!